Record any of it?
No. Yeah, oh yeah, I did.
Any of the home?
Yeah. I did the first tip.
Alright, keep recording. Okay, keep recording. You go, what is that, 4?
Yeah. 4. No, didn't, huh? Nope. Nope. Nope.
So what's that? Yeah, we got 4. Oh yeah.
Critic.
We were on a roll. Honk if you hate the Yankees.
Yankee fan. Yankee fan with the Cadillac.
Bastard.
All the Yankees fans drive Cadillacs. Fuck them. Oh! Nope. 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 Nope.
Coming down our street, we know them. Yeah, they honk.
I'm driving or waving.
They totally honk.
That's why she was like, ah! Honk!
We're not gonna get money.
Nope. Nope. Yeah! 5!
5, that's 5! That's 5 honks! That's 6! We got 5. We have 6.
Old people are critics. Nothing. Zilch. She waved. Nothing. That's Terry Carson's mom. There's a car that is pulled over. No, it's not. Oh, and here comes another one. Yankee fan.
Bastard. Why did you hate the Yankees? Why did you hate the Yankees?
Yes!
Yeah! Well, hold it up, look. Honk if you hate the Yankees.